there have been very few science fiction films or TV shows that have had such strong impact on our visions and imaginaries of AI and robots. The idea of Skynet waking up still instills us with fear, and our discussions about the existential risks of AI do still take on the shape of the Terminator.
I'll be back.
A robot opens a door and people online panic that Terminator is here. It's really shaped our imagination when it comes to artificial intelligence. Perhaps rightly or wrongly, it's made people very afraid.
The Terminator's an infiltration unit. Part man, part machine. Underneath, it's a hyperalloy combat chassis. Microprocessor controlled, fully armored, very tough. But outside, it's living human tissue. Flesh, skin, hair, blood, grown for the cyborgs.
Terminator is effective because it starts with someone who's just like us. Sarah Connor is just a waitress living her everyday life, more concerned about her next date than the future. And then suddenly from the future comes this monstrous man who's hunting her down through the dance floor of Tech Noir, the nightclub, and into the streets of Los Angeles. It's a horror story, but it's also a science fiction story about the future and time travel and what we do to change our futures. Another aspect that comes out of the 1980s context of the Terminator is the involvement of the military-industrial complex, both the state and the government, but also corporations working together towards building war machines. This is very much a product of its time, a sort of post-Cold War fear of where the technology is going. That's still apparent now. We have automated drone systems, but what's more clear now is the role of private individuals and corporations and entrepreneurs in a way that wasn't in the 1980s. There was no Elon Musk building up Cyberdyne systems. It was getting military contracts primarily.